For our next selection, we have the Philharmonic and Chamber Orchestra on stage, and we're going to present a few movements from the very famous Nutcracker by Tchaikovsky. And before we play that, we're going to play it as a suite, and what I mean by that is we're going to do with the classical tradition of, I'm going to ask you to hold your applause until all of the movements are finished. In a few of the movements, there is a few soloists that I'm sure you're going to be eager to applaud, but I will acknowledge them at the end. I'm going to call their names now, but as well I'll have them stand at the end. So in Arabian Dance, we will have a violin solo by Alan Yu and a cello solo by Adeline Su. And in Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairies, we will have a viola solo by Arya Sachin and a rather big celeste solo, but really played on the piano, by Christine Shen. And I'll have them stand at the end. We can clap for them now as well. Really puts pressure on them right now, doesn't it? Right now that we've preemptively clapped for you, right? I will acknowledge them as well, and of course acknowledge our wonderful winds and percussion who've joined us. This is extra time for them, in addition to their commitment to jazz band, wind ensemble, or both, so I do thank them. But like I said, we're going to hold our applause to the end, so in essence, this makes it our last number, so I do want to make sure that I do acknowledge and say some thank yous. I want to acknowledge and thank you, Mr. Colin Berry, and our lights and sound crew here, who have a tremendous help getting the stage ready and put on these tremendous lights, so thank you to Mr. Berry and the sound crew. My fellow teachers and administrators who were helping to monitor the students while it's not their turn to perform, I do thank you. I'm very gracious. And of course, all of you reading through all of those emails that I have sent, including, how about this fancy switch to all black, huh? Not bad, right? Yeah. So I do thank you, and I hope I'll leave you with this final thought on this piece of music that we're going to play. I was speaking with some colleagues who also had performed Nutcracker recently. In fact, if you had a child in wind ensemble, you saw Nutcracker performed last week with them. If you saw the high school orchestra, fantastic high school group that your child should continue on with, they played selections from the Nutcracker last night. And this colleague had asked, I wonder if it's overkill, and I thought about that for a saying, but when I thought about it, there's a saying in the literary arts, which is, to write is to live forever, and they mean that in terms of a literary author, but I think that applies to composers as well. We drive around this time of year and we see the lights brought to the outside of our houses, and it brings light to the darkest time of our year in this hemisphere. And we can think of Tchaikovsky as being overplayed at this time, or we can really think about it much like we put the same Christmas lights out every year. This same music may come out this time of year every year, but it's also bringing light to our ears during the darkest time of our hemisphere. So I hope you really enjoy this last number. Thank you for this evening, and enjoy a warm and festive holiday season.